What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we are checking out another viewer's car. This is Rowan's BMW M240i from 2016. He bought this car 7 months ago and he recently had it tuned by Musselman. And then he decided to take it to us, which is awesome. So thank you, Rowan. So we're going to show you what he has done to his car, both on the outside, on the interior, but also, of course, the engine. And then we'll take it for a little drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. Now, of course, we've covered the M240 in general before, and a lot of M140i's as well. So we're going to focus on the stuff that Rowan did to his car. We'll start at the front because we've got a very nice carbon front splitter. I have to say, one of the first things I noticed, and I really like it because it just follows the lines of the regular bumper down here instead of covering this part up, which they usually do. Very, very nice. Really like that. And then we've got these carbon look kidneys, wheels, BMW M Performance wheels with behind that the stock brakes, but we do have very nice Michelin Pilot Sport 4S rubber. Really awesome. These are 19-inch wheels. Very nice wheel actually. We've got these carbon mirror caps, carbon look, and then we've got an M2 CS rear wing, which is real carbon. That is very nice. That is a good look for this car. It gives that little rear end a much better look, if you ask me. We've got a gloss black diffuser, we've got an M Performance rear silencer, and these beautiful tips in that carbon with that little M logo. Such a nice exhaust tip. Very cool. And then let's take a look at the engine. So the B58 3-liter inline 6, such a gem of an engine. Stock, it's got 340 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. This with this Musselman tune and an Evolution Raceworks catless downpipe, Musselman ECU tune, and an XHP TCU tune. So the gearbox has been flashed as well. This all brings the total to 463 horsepower and 650 newton meters of torque. So that is very strong performance. I mean, horsepower and torque both really nice. And since it is Musselman tuning, we know that it's been done right and it will deliver as well. Now, another cool feature is that he wrapped those crash bars in blue, which we also did that with our M135i in gold. I always like that. I think that's a really nice touch. When you see that, it's just a nice little hidden update. Oh, man, it's freaking freezing. So that is very loud. On the inside, we've got a nice Alcantara steering wheel, which is really nice, but we've got this carbon, that's fake plastic carbon stuff again. I don't really like that. I'm sorry. All right, so let's take it for a little drive. Now, as you could hear, it is mega loud. Of course, with this catless downpipe. So we'll put it in Sport Plus, traction control off. And we've got the sunroof open for some extra sound. That is very quick. Yeah, man, okay, so performance is really strong. That's a quick car. But the main thing, those shifts. Holy moly, that is a quick shift. Oh, that is dual clutch fast, man. That is XHP TCU flash. That is really impressive. Wow, I was not expecting it to be this quick. This is the ZF8 speed, which is an awesome gearbox, but I mean, stock the shifts are super quick already, but with this, man, that is really, really good. Oh man, this B58 with a tune on it is so impressive. And especially in a little car like this, it feels so explosive. Yeah, we do have some fuzziness of the suspension, the chassis. It is the M240i. It's a very nice car, but it's not as sharp as it could be, of course, because they couldn't make it. They couldn't make it as like firm and tight as a BMW M2, of course. But you really feel that. You feel like, you know, you just want that little bit of extra firmness, so you can lean on that side in your corners a little bit more. But you know, it is a really nice setup because it's super comfy. Oh. So Rowan told me that he was thinking about getting an LSD, maybe a limited slip diff, because it doesn't have that. And I think, you know, if you go for a limited slip, I know it's a very expensive upgrade, but that will make this into a very, very serious car, because you can feel now that it has some trouble sometimes where to put the power. Oh, it's very powerful. What an awesome car. And that decat downpipe with that exhaust, it's also got a center silencer delete. But my main takeaway from this is that XHP transmission flash. Those shifts are crazy quick. So of course this speedo only goes to 260. I don't have a GPS speedo with me today, so we're just going to have to do it with that. But I mean, it's not really, it's a bit too slippery and a bit too cold to do anything crazy today anyway, so it's better like that. But of course we also measured the 100 to 200 performance, which is 8.8 seconds, which is very, very good. That is strong performance for this car. It is really quick. Oh man, I'm just looking forward to that next shift every time, because it is very impressive. Now that's 260. You can feel the car moving around a little bit. I'm wondering if this is the stock wheel size, or is this wide? Is this a wider wheel maybe? I don't know. It feels a bit weird sometimes at high speeds. But I mean, look at that speedo. This is a quick car. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Oh, I love driving these tuned B58 cars. They are always so nice. This engine is just so suitable for tuning, and this gearbox as well, apparently. I mean, I think we've driven these TCU remapped ZF 8-speeds before, but I don't know, it just surprised me how good it is. That is a freaking little rocket, man. Oh, listen to those. People are honking at me because it's so loud. Holy moly. Oh, I'm so sorry. This person in front of me is trying to learn how to drive and I'm here popping away, crackling. Alright, last little pull. Oh man. Rowan, thank you so much for taking your car to us. It was a pleasure to drive. You've got an awesome car. I mean, this tune is amazing and that transmission tune is freaking lovely. That is a really good upgrade. So thanks a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video on the right or go check out this playlist on the left. See you at the next one. Bye.